Imagine this one trade and you become a millionaire. Sounds exciting, right? But wait, what if the next trade wipes out everything? Is the stock market really a smart way to make money? Or is it just a well-packaged trap? And stay till the end, because today, we're uncovering the truth. 1. What are stocks? Stocks are shares of a company. When you buy one, you own a small piece of that business. But just because you own a stock doesn't mean you'll make money.
Why people think stocks are a smart investment. So why do people love stocks? Simple, they can make you rich. Investors like Warren Buffett made billions through smart investments. The risks of stock market investing. But here's the harsh reality, most people lose money. Why? Microphone hash, they chase trends, buy without research, and panic when prices drop. One mistake can wipe out months or even years of savings. Remember GameStop? Crypto crashes. The market isn't always logical. How to invest smartly. So, how do you avoid these mistakes? 1. Learn before you invest, understand how the market works. 2. Think long-term, not short-term gambling. 3. Never invest blindly, do your research. 4. Diversify, don't put all your money in one stock. So, are stocks a smart investment? The answer, yes, but only if you know what you're doing. Invest smart, stay patient, and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more money-making insights.